1,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. The Raptor virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 1,000 feet. In the climb, Captain Larson will quickly push the nose over and accelerate forward. So now it is time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, to you, the most feared aircraft in the world today, your United States Air Force's F-22 advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to fly more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn and then power straight up into the vertical. Then watch as Captain Larson changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, even at extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a full 360-degree aileron roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we're experiencing a minor situation with the aircraft. Captain Larson is going to momentarily delay the demonstration as he attempts to resolve this situation. Ladies and gentlemen, we've experienced a minor problem with the aircraft. Due to the nature of this problem, we will not be able to continue today's demonstration in this particular aircraft. We do assure you, though, that we'll do everything we can to get him back in the air in our spare aircraft, as we have an excellent maintenance team awaiting his return to the parking area.
In the parking area. Also on top of our car.
That one? No, that one?
Fully covered by the United States Bank.
That one, yeah. We're gonna do a different one.
I took a video and I was like, oh, I forgot that video.
You might get it again. You may start looking at
Did you get a video of it? I wonder how that sounds.
How long?
Going all the way up into the mountain. I can hear it all the way up. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Mom, he's coming. Mom, put your earbuds in. Mom, put your earbud in. Okay. Making me nervous.
I know, that's what I was like, should we be this
The demonstration is not over yet. What we're doing is we're switching over to a backup aircraft. Our intention is to complete the F-22 demonstration. It's just that we have a small mechanical problem on the aircraft going by right now. This is a precautionary landing only. It is not an emergency. It is precautionary. We're going to jump over to the backup aircraft. We will be completing the Raptor demonstration. So stick around. Otherwise, you're going to miss the best part of the show, which is the second half of the Raptor demonstration. So stick around. Give us a couple of minutes. We'll get all our ducks in a row. We'll get RaZZ in another airplane. We'll go out there and we'll fly the rest of the demo. So please, stick around. Also, those of you out there who have cell phones, somebody is missing their cell phone. It'll be over at the VIP tent, and you will be required to provide proof of information, social security number, credit cards, what kind of car you drive, the name of your firstborn child, what shoes you prefer, and whether or not you like your mother-in-law in order to claim the cell phone. So once again, those of you who are missing, somebody out there is missing his cell phone. So by all means, check it out. It will be over at the VIP tent. And then stick around because we are going to complete this demonstration today.